Hello everyone, what do you think of this lacy stitch? I think curtains, definitely lacy curtains. And one might think that crocheting curtains would be such an enormous task, but not with this stitch, because this stitch is worked of trebles and chains, so it works pretty quickly and there are lots of big open spaces. So you can make yourself a curtain in no time. The stitch is very easy. There's only one repeating row. The starting chain must be a multiple of 9 plus 8. I'm going to make a small sample and I will start with 35 chains. Here I have 35 chains, and now into the 7th chain from the hook I will work a treble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yarn over twice, and I make a treble. And over here 4 of these skipped chains count as a treble and 2 chains count as chain 2 space. Next 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next chain I will work a treble, 2 chains and a treble. So first I work a treble, then 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the same chain 1 more treble. So here I have a group of 4 trebles. Next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to skip 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and into the next one I will work a treble, 2 chains and a treble. So first a treble, two chains, 1, 2, and 1 more treble. Two chains, 1, 2, and into the next chain again a treble, 2 chains and a treble. So first a treble, then 2 chains, and into the same chain 1 more treble. So now I have 2 groups of trebles, and the pattern begins to repeat from here. 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and into the next one a treble, 2 chains and a treble, then 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next chain again a treble, 2 chains and a treble. Again 4 chains, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and into the next one a treble, 2 chains and a treble, then 2 chains, and into the last chain same thing, a treble, 2 chains and a treble. And now the first row is finished. I turn my work and I start the next row with 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I will be working into the very first chain of these 2 chains, and into that chain I work a treble. then 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next, the second chain of the same chain 2, I work a treble, 2 chains, and a treble. Now 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. I skip all the trebles of this group. I skip the chain 4 space, and I will be working into this chain over here. So into the very first chain of these 2 chains, I work a treble, then 2 chains, and 1 more treble. Then 2 chains, and into the next chain over here, I work the same thing. A treble, 2 chains, and a treble. Next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the very first chain of the next group of these trebles, into the first chain, I will work again a treble, then 2 chains and a treble, and that's how I'm going to continue crocheting this row. One thing I want to mention here is that I like working the stitches directly into chains, but you can substitute over here to make it easier. You can just work 4 trebles separated with 2 chains directly into this chain 2 space. You don't have to work into each chain. I think it looks better if you work directly into the chain, but it's really up to you. And I work the last group of 4 trebles into the first chain and into the second chain. So this is where I turn, and I start the next row with 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now the next row is going to be exactly the same as the previous one. So into the first chain I work a treble, then 2 chains, and into the next chain I work a treble, 2 chains, and a treble. Now 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over here into the very first chain of this chain 2 space or 2 chains, I work a treble, 2 chains, and a treble. Then 2 chains, and into the next chain, again a treble, 2 chains, and a treble, and so on. This is how this lace stitch is worked.